Hello everyone, welcome to Inspire. Today we are talking about one of the most surprising and talked about people in modern history, Donald Trump. No matter if you like him or not, you can't deny one thing: Donald Trump changed politics forever. He broke rules, shocked experts, and surprised the whole world many times. So, in this video, we will talk about 5 times Donald Trump shocked the political world. Stay with me until the end because number 5 might surprise you the most. Let's begin. 1. When Donald Trump decided to run for president. In 2015, something big happened. Donald Trump, the famous businessman and TV star, walked down a golden escalator in Trump Tower and said, "I'm running for president of the United States." Almost nobody believed him. People laughed. The news said he will never win. Even other politicians said he is just doing this for attention. But Trump was serious. He started talking about things many people were already thinking: jobs, immigration, and America's future. He spoke in a way that sounded simple, direct, and emotional. While other politicians used fancy words, Trump spoke like an ordinary person. He said what he thought, even if it made people angry. And guess what? Millions of Americans liked that. His campaign grew fast and everyone started paying attention. That was the first time Trump shocked the political world. A businessman with no political experience became a real candidate for president. 2. When Trump actually won 2016 election. Now this was the big one. In 2016, almost every poll, every expert, every newspaper said Donald Trump could not win. They said Hillary Clinton would easily become the next president. But when the results came in, the world couldn't believe it. Donald Trump won. He became the 45th President of the United States. How did he do it? He connected with people who felt forgotten: factory workers, small town families, people tired of politicians who never listened. He didn't talk like a politician, he talked like someone angry about the same problems they were angry about. That night, Trump shocked the world. He didn't just win an election, he showed that in politics anything can happen, even the impossible. 3. When Trump used Twitter like no one ever had. Most presidents give speeches or press conferences, but Trump, he used Twitter. Every morning, people around the world waited to see what Trump would post next. Sometimes it was about policies, sometimes it was jokes, sometimes it was attacks on other people. But one thing was clear: his tweets controlled the news. Supporters loved it. They said, "He's honest. He tells us what he thinks directly." Critics said, "He's causing chaos." whatever people thought. Trump changed how leaders talk to the public. He didn't wait for TV or newspapers. He used his phone. He tweeted his thoughts and the whole world listened. It was new, wild, and unshocking. No president had ever done that before. 4. When he was impeached twice. Now, this one is really unbelievable. In all of US history, no president had ever been impeached twice, but Donald Trump was. The first impeachment happened in 2019 about a phone call with Ukraine's president. The second came in 2021 after the Capitol riot on January 6th. Both times, Trump said he did nothing wrong, and both times he was found not guilty in the Senate. Most politicians would have disappeared after that, but not Trump. Instead of losing support, his followers became even more loyal. They said the system is against him, but he keeps fighting. Trump turned a huge political problem into a moment of strength. Once again, he shocks everyone. 5. When he refused to quit politics. Most presidents retire quietly after leaving office. They write books, give speeches, and enjoy life. But Trump, no way. After leaving the White House, he started holding big rallies again. He supported other politicians. He gave interviews. He even announced another run for president. Even when people said his career is over, he came back stronger. By 2024, Trump was back in the spotlight, with millions of supporters still cheering for him. Love him or hate him, he became one of the most powerful and talked about figures in modern politics. That's the fifth time he shocked the political world. He refused to disappear. So, friends, what can we learn from these five moments? Donald Trump shocked the world not just because of what he said, but because of how he said it. He spoke directly, he broke rules, and he showed that one person, even without political experience, can completely change the game. Some people see him as a hero, others see him as a problem, but everyone agrees Donald Trump made history. So, what do you think? Which of these moments surprised you the most? Tell me in the comments below. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching.